Yo, what's up, gamers? Today we're going to play Driving CSX yet again. So, I have unlocked so many cars yesterday, and I just want to test them out. I just want to show them out to you. All right. Um, let's. All right. I have unlocked this racing car. Look, I have unlocked this one. This is very cool. As you can see, as you can see, it goes that fast. Look, it's so fast. Hold on. Survival test. Oh no! No! I don't want to do that. No! Okay, so I want to show you the interior of this car. Yo, dude, this interior is sick. So yeah, it's just a normal racing car. So yeah, the next car I want to show you is another cool car, and it's the Toro Otavo 17. Alright, the logo is a literal pentagon. Alright, look at this car. It's a literal Lamborghini. And I think it's electric too. There. As you have heard from that sound, hear that sound. That sounds like it's electric. So yeah, let's test how fast this is. So I did test this way before this video, and they have the same speed. Oh my god! I thought the car could pass over to the second bridge, but it didn't work. Alright. Oh my god. I hate that. Alright. Next, you're about to be surprised by the insides. Oh my god. This looks amazing. Look, even the chairs are muscular. And look, there's no roof. It's just windows. The window is a roof. Alright, look. I mean, just look at that steering wheel. That is epic. Alright. That is this other car. The next car I want to show you is a smaller car. And it's the Logicore F202. It's a small, humble car that you can take to... You can take it anywhere. Honestly. This is not an electric car. At first glance, I thought this was an electric car, but it's not. Alright, this goes incredibly, this goes incredibly fast. 123 miles per hour, not bad. Oh, 130 miles per hour? Oh, yeah, not bad for a car that's as small as this. Alright, it's only a 2-seat car. It's only a car for 2 people. I mean, just look at this. Ooh, look at what is that over there? Look at this. Yeah, nothing bad about this. Alright, let's go ahead and test out another car. This next car is the Utah Off-Roader 85. Alright. Oh, come on. Alright. This is the Utah Off-Roader. And I definitely have decorated this with colors, obviously. So this is the inside of the car. It's again only a 2-seat car. There's some frame action going on in the back there. Let's test out the speed. Dude, I love how that you can just see the steering wheel spin while you're at third person. Alright, 100 miles per hour. 105. Oh! Ooh! No, no, oh, thank God my... Did you guys see that? Look, it did again. Look, my door just glitched for some reason, and I don't know why. And I got my wheel, and I got my back wheel stuck in the ground. Great. Next, I want to show you the Revere Gvan 70. I mean, it looks like an ice cream truck, right? As you can see, I have called the van Henderberg's Ice Cream. Alright, this is what the car looks like. There's some things going on in the back there, I can't see it. Alright, we can see what's in the back by pressing the exclamation mark and pressing openable parts. Let's see what's in here. Absolutely nothing. Great. Except for these two bulges in the ground. Alright, let's test this out. Henderberg's ice cream. Henderberg's ice cream is the best quality of ice cream that you can get. Anyways, who's eating ice cream in Utah? Oh, no. We obviously don't want to crash this. No. Ah! I am crashing uncontrollably, and oh, thank God my car didn't fall off this cliff, or else that would have been very bad. Alright, and now I can get up this. Come on. Are you serious? Really? This next car is a truck. It's called the Steel Mudhawk 88. And there are two versions of the car, but I'm gonna go with the one that I'm using right now. Alright. This is the truck. Let's test the speed of this thing before we can get to the interior. Alright. Not bad. 70, 80. It's picking up speed fast. Not bad. 98, 99, and 100 miles per hour. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114. This thing can go faster than this. Oh yeah. Pick up all the speed. Oh yeah. It's still picking up speed. This thing is incredibly fast. Alright, we're gonna stop about here. Alright. Stop. Interior reveal in 3, 2, 1. Alright. It looks amazing. There's a seat. In total, you can fit 3 people in here. Look at that. Look at that door. That is awesome. Just look at that big window. You can see everything from here. Anyways. Oh, let's make it rain. I like rain. Alright, let's see how the door opens. Alright. Looks cool. Interesting. Alright. Let's open this part. Alright, the engine is exposed. And alright, challenge. Drive like this. How am I supposed to do this? Hold on. Yes. This is the true challenge. Like, how am I supposed to see what's in front of me? I can crash into a rock at any moment. Listen to your hearings, okay? Find out, are you on a road or not? Yeah, I'm gonna fall right here. I'm gonna fall right now. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Okay, let's close this. Where are we? Oh, we're right here. Thankfully, I stopped my car before I can crash it. Alright. I'm still annoyed by the fact my bumper, it fell off. Where is it? I don't see it. And my car wheel, look, and my car wheel is stuck again. Alright. I hate shocking. Anyways, I just want to show you something. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you that the Toro Otavo's door opens like this. Yeah, see that? That is beauty. And I think the Utah and the Utah, hold on, Utah, yeah, there, it opens the same way. Look, the car doors are even touching. Alright, let's drive this car, doors open. Alright, let's see how this car reacts. Oh, the doors just slam right out. Just slam into the car. Alright, let's crash this car. Bam! Yeah! And please, into the river. Into the river. No. Alright. Into the river we go. And somehow my car didn't flood out. That's amazing. Alright. Hold on. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I have the Utah TDR 16. I mean, just look at that. First we're going to see the insides. What? The insides of the car are completely black and I can't see anything. Look, I'm turning my steering wheel and I don't see it. I can't even see my seat, bruh. The color, it's Fanta black. But anyway, let's test out the speed of this thing. Alright, not bad. Not bad. Oh, 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 no, don't lose control. Ah, and the car door, no. Alright, let's change cars here. Oh, I think I have one more car that I want to show you. Hold on. Ah, yes, this is it. The Fernand Classic 70. Alright, so this is the car. Fernand. Come on. Alright, this is the Fernand car. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, I like colors. There's a back seat over there, obviously. Ooh, and there's a trunk there. If you don't know, you can make in the trunk. You can make a bed in the trunk of your car. Isn't that cool? All right, let's do this. What? Oh, I already busted my doors. Great. Why not? Let's fall into the river. Oh, yeah. How does it look like? Oh my god. Is that water? That's not water, right? Is that water? I don't know. What is that? Is that glass? Ah. Okay. Let's do this. In first person. Let's test out the speed of this thing. Oh yeah, do you see that Jeep logo thing with the pitch that's below the car changing logo? Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what it is, but every time I turn, the number adds up. -2. I don't look. I don't know what that means, but let's turn so hard. Oh, what? That that the number rose up so fast. Oh, don't want to crash into that rock, okay? But I want to crash into that one over there. Yeah, let's do this. Let's scrape the car. Okay. I think that's about all the cars that I want to show you. So, I want. I I think I still have one more car. Oh yeah, this is the Evans Denali 71. As you can see, as you can see, this. Have you ever heard of Bumblebee from Transformers? Yeah, I have two versions of him in this game, both car mode. Though this one, the Wolf Trail, this is the first version of him, and the second one is the Evans Denali. Yeah, I know. The second version is supposed to be a Camaro. But I don't know where the Camaro is. Look at this inside. It looks fancy. Hold on. There are a set of back seats. There's only one door. Only two doors. So how are the kids gonna go to the back? How are the kids gonna go to the back? Who cares? Yeah, let's test this thing out, shall we? Okay, let's test this out. Okay. This is fast so far. This is looking fast so far. Okay. This looks fast. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. Okay. And over here is the parking lot, aka just I don't know. It's just a parking lot, and let's fall. Whee! Oh, what? Huh? My car crashed so hard that two things happened. One, my car sunk in the sand, and two, the doors are glitching. The doors spread out. Look at that. My seat and the back seat is completely filled to the brim with sand. Well, I don't know what else to say. So have a good day, guys. I'm gonna be playing this game for the rest of the. I hope you guys have a great day, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna keep playing this game for the rest of the week. So yeah. Have a great day. I recommend playing this game. It's called Drive CSX. Bye. Stay tuned for the next gaming episode.